Okay, this gift I got. This gift I didn't receive. This gift was given. Looks like it's all here. And what is that? It's not on my list. He remembered me, didn't forget. Oh! Hey, look at this! It's magnificent! Well, isn't she wonderful? Look at what she can do. She can go like this. Good day to you all. I'm Masha. It is very nice to meet you. She can even do this. It's dancing time. Now it's time to go introduce you to Bear. Bear! Look here! Isn't she wonderful? What's with all these puddles of water? So what happened in here? It's Masha. She can do so many great things. No, that's not a way to play. We'll be back when you clean up in here. You should get yourself a robot just like mine. It's a great help, and you'll never get bored. Oh, you cleaned up, finally. Mashuko, fly right in. I'm Mashuko. It is very nice to meet you.
Good day to you. Nice to meet you. Robert, nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Robert, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Robert, nice to meet you. Robert.
All done? You finally met? So then, it's dancing time. I always said it. Get yourself a robot, and you'll never get bored again. Oh, wow! Oops, today's Bear's birthday, and I forgot it. And the gift. Where can I get a gift? Happy birthday, Bear! My birthday's coming up very, very soon. Please don't forget it. Will you not forget my presents? If you forget, no problem. I'll remind you. Bear, will you wake up in time for my birthday? Oh, you woke up. I see that you didn't forget my birthday. And this is the list of all the gifts. It's all the presents you want to give me. So remember now not to forget.
Time is moving very slowly. Birthday seems so far away. Kids await as days are crawling to blow candles on the cake. Counting hours, hoping soon to be singing birthday tune. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. It is true these days are rare, but it's better in the end. It allows time to prepare for your each and every friend. They will make you lots of presents and will cheer in your presence.
It's time to get all happy. It's time to get my presents. Where are they? How could they forget about my birthday? Ah, they must be at the bear's house, waiting for me. And here I am! Could it be that they really forgot it? Hey, you boys, you remembered not to forget. How could they forget such an important day? I cannot even believe this. There's no one here who remembers. Ah! Oh, no, 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 no! Ah! 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 Oy! Oy! This is my worst birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me.
Would be fun to make the most of, making everyone a friend. Then someone's always hosting celebrations to attend. Sing, cheering, and toasting year-round. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday to my friends! We are all family! Once again, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday to my friends! We are all family! Happy birthday to my friends! We are all family!
So. Where could all of the cartoons be hiding? Let's start an investigation. Ah! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's look for cartoons to pick. I will press this microphone. Masha and the